Hey guys, welcome to XBA Adventures. Today we're going to be making virgin piña coladas, and it only takes 3 ingredients. We got pineapple, cream of coconut, and some ice. So first off, you need to get the pineapple.
These virgin piña coladas are amazing. We drink them often. A special shout out to Cece, who taught us this recipe. Thanks, we love them. Guys, if you haven't clicked that subscribe button down below already, please do so you can see more videos like this.
So now that we're done with this, we open the lid and put some pineapple in with the ice. Alright, now that we're done with that, we want to put cream of coconut in. There we go. Now we've made some perfect virgin piña coladas. That's good.
Oh my God, you look good. Oh, Xander, those are tough. Those are awesome.
Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and bye.